Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect a Namecheap domain to Shopify. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on your Namecheap, make sure that you've already logged into your Namecheap account, and then what you will do is you will go to the account section, and then you will click domain list and wait for it to load. And yeah, make sure that you already have your domains, and then what you will have to do is select a domain, and then you will basically just have to click manage for your domain, and then you will scroll to advanced DNS, and then you will locate CNAME record and a record. And then in your Shopify, what you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already logged into your account, and then you will basically just have to go to your Shopify admin and then go to settings. And after you go to settings, you will see domain, so just go ahead and click that, and then click connect existing domain. What you will have to do is copy Shopify a record IP address and paste it in Namecheap a record, and then you will set CNAME to point to shops that myshopify.com, and then you will save changes. And then, by the way, it may take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate. So yeah, after that you will verify the connection in Shopify, and then the domain should show connected. And yeah, that's it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.